Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put oxygen in your base in Subnautica. Building a base underwater is exciting, and ensuring you have breathable air is crucial for survival. The good news is that the game makes this process quite straightforward. Once your base is fully enclosed and powered, it will automatically fill with oxygen, allowing you to breathe freely inside. Let's dive into the simple steps to achieve this. To get oxygen, your base needs power. Solar panels are a great early-game option, providing 25 power per unit during the day. For deeper or darker areas, thermal plants are excellent, converting heat from vents into energy. Later, bioreactors can use organic materials like fish or plants to generate power, offering a versatile solution for your energy needs. Choose the best power source for your location. Maintaining structural integrity is vital for a sealed, oxygenated base. Each base module has an integrity value, and if it drops too low, your base will flood. Reinforcements are key, adding 7 points of integrity each. Foundations also contribute, providing 2 points. Keep your integrity above 0 to ensure your base remains pressurized and full of breathable air, keeping you safe from the crushing depths. As you expand your base with new modules, remember that each addition affects structural integrity and power consumption. Always keep an eye on your base's power levels, visible on the habitat builder or base display. If power drops, oxygen will deplete. Should a hull breach occur, repair it quickly with your repair tool to restore oxygen flow. Enjoy your safe, oxygen-rich underwater home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.